There's a whole lot to love about the new R1, the thrilling performance of the still cross-plane crank-equipped, but moreover square inline-4 engine, the plinted, corner speed-loving chassis and the class-leading electronics package. Yet the most impressive feat is the seamless integration of every component of the motorcycle. It all works in unison on the redesigned R1, allowing fast laps to come at relative ease. Although the engine feels a little soft off the bottom, it spins more rapidly, due to lighter engine hardware, and power comes on the line sooner in the rev range with a mild, but still noticeable hit through the mid-range. Snappy with a voracious appetite for revs, the 8.8-pound lighter mill continues to build linear, usable power equating to a nearly perfect power curve all the way to red line, 14,500 RPM. The R1's engine is so smooth, yet rich in over-rev that it never felt like it ceased pulling as we turned laps at Sydney's Eastern Creek Raceway during the international press launch. Engineers were so hyper-focused on getting the power band as efficient as possible that not only does the R1's cylinder head employ larger valves, it's now fabricated from a billet aluminum instead of a cast piece. Like before, the R1 benefits from its now signature M1 prototype growl, sounding like a hybrid of a V-twin and inline-4 with conventional firing order. For a more thrilling experience behind the windscreen physically, the R1 is smaller than its predecessor. It's considerably slimmer, think R6/RS V4 Slim, through the midsection at the fuel tank, now intricately fabricated from 3 sheets of aluminum, thereby shedding 3.5 pounds. Wheelbase has also been reduced by almost a half-inch. All told on the scales, it's 35 pounds lighter than the 2009 to 2014 model. Although the headstock angle and trail numbers are unchanged, the construction and rigidity balance of the entire R1 chassis has been enhanced. Specifically, the forward portion of the main frame is cast from a much larger section and is now braced behind the 24% larger airbox. The swing arm is now right side up with 15 mm shorter arms and features a new upward truss type manufacturing design. The subframe continues to be manufactured from magnesium cast, as are the wheels, cylinder head, engine covers and oil pan. Never before has a production sport bike been this closely aligned with a MotoGP prototype for less than 22 grand. Yamaha has effectively built a road-legal YZF M1, with the precision and elevated level of build quality that we expect from the Japanese engineering powerhouse. It's so incredibly well polished that the rider can simply focus on the task of riding, without having to even think of any sort of mechanical limitation. Make no mistake about it, the new R may first be the bike that finally eclipses the competition in the superbike class.